PVC fiberglass roller blinds fabric is always the top choice of blinds. This simple yet effective system can be used basically every place with the numerous applications. Our roller blinds catalog has more than 10 colors mainly suitable for commercial buildings, hospitals, shopping malls, hotels, and residences. By default, our roller blinds material have fire retardancy, antibacterial and antifungal protection, and are entirely odorless. PVC fiberglass roller blinds fabric is beautifully simple, plain material to suit any room. Thanks to their PVC material, this stylish fabric are also suitable for rooms with a lot of moisture such as bathrooms and kitchens. More details please visit durarollerblinds.com.